Feeling down? Understanding heart in one's boots. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, heart in one's boots. Have you ever felt so worried or scared that you couldn't explain it? Well, this phrase perfectly captures that emotion. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations to express those tough moments. The phrase, heart in one's boots, is a vivid expression used to describe a feeling of deep worry or sudden fear. Imagine your heart sinking down to your boots. It's that moment of dread that makes you feel as if your heart is no longer in your chest but has dropped down to your feet. This metaphor beautifully conveys a sense of heaviness and despair that comes with anxiety or fear. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of heart in one's boots, it's believed to have been used for centuries. The phrase is a part of the rich tapestry of English idiomatic expressions that use body parts to describe emotional states. Over time, heart in one's boots has been used in literature and speech to articulate a feeling that is otherwise hard to describe, showing how language evolves to capture the human experience. Incorporating heart in one's boots into your language can add depth to your expressions. Here are a few examples. When I heard the news, my heart was in my boots. I didn't know how to react. Before the presentation, I could feel my heart in my boots, but I managed to gather my courage. Seeing the steep roller coaster, the children had their hearts in their boots, yet excitement was in the air. Using this phrase allows you to convey a profound sense of dread or apprehension that everyone can relate to, making your speech more engaging and expressive. We hope this exploration of heart in one's boots has added a new layer to your understanding of English expressions. Language is a powerful tool to express our deepest emotions, and idioms like this one enrich our conversations in unique and meaningful ways. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use heart in one's boots next time you're describing that gut-wrenching feeling. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.